cross finger, baby. It's cross finger, baby.
Well, if the thing is, if they're the ugliest cars I've seen.
Every time I see your banner, I'm like, so okay.
Piping single exit with a full master muffler right there. It's gonna be loud. The engine is.
I just got it. Like literally, I called somebody while I'm at work. Yo, I'm pulling about 4. I'll get off in 5 minutes. Right coming up. That's what you're saying, bro.
Oh, unless it's only on one way.
Oh shit.
If it's only one way, fuck.
No, people are exiting over there too.
Sebastian, don't tell me Sebastian's turning
Sebastian
around.
didn't do truck shit.
Man, looks ain't good, bro. We good.
Damn, bro.
I just got here.
I thought it was red and blue.
Oh no.
No,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, there's
I
no-
turned my
there's
head
a way
and I
out.
see red and blue.
That's all I saw.
What about
In the back.
So, what do you think on
going down? Damn, fucking Sebastian.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
That nigga's an Indian. That nigga's an Indian. I'm more shit on.
This nigga's in the Subaru.
I think I just switched on.
He's like,
I think I just switched on dry shaft. It's the bikes that really scare me the most.
Yeah.
Because they like stuff like that, nigga.
Oh my god.
That shit scared me, nigga. Because it's not even your fault at that point. He just being aggressive.
What the fuck?
So I keep looking, bro, because this fucking bike's will just pop out of nowhere.
What's funny too is like lane splitting is legal in certain states, but Florida's not one of them states. And it's because niggas know they're gonna die. Like, I don't know why he's sitting right here too.
Oh yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I like the G80 M3. Yeah, nigga, what's up, vlog, nigga? What the fuck? Yo, 5:92 AM, what? Watch it. That's a good race for me.
The fuck?
See my shit.
Oh, it's good, yo.
See what's up with the GTR?
Everything fully guzzle. GT, GS, can't lose. 2J the word.
That was hilarious.
Yeah, fine.
2JZ.
Jay-Z. Any Jay-Z will work, you know? You see it? Because Jay-Z better than RB, you see it? Yo, nigga. Bro, if you got fucking 15 grand to spend on an engine, right? And you have Jay-Z and you have RB, what are you gonna pick?
Oh, Jay-Z.
Of course, nigga, you need like 30 grand to build that RB the same way as Jay-Z.
And the RB can't hold this power.
It depends how you build it.
RB can't hold
Niggas out here making it.
The RB can't hold this power.
That's why they stroke it out. Fire for that.
No, yeah, but this that.
It's on.
You know your mom said the same. Are we gonna walk around or what? Yo, Sebastian said this is
Gage be gonna eat mud. My neck and my back. Chaos again, man.
Oh my god, how the fuck are we gonna get out,
Why
bro?
can't we never just fight? Like, nothing's happening.
Oh,
Yeah,
Sebastian
look at
goes
that
that way, bro. Fuck, it's gonna be a bitch to get on this way.
We look like roaches.
Sebastian just got to turn and block traffic. I ain't gonna lie, we look he folded parking this way.
This way. I think that's Mario right there. Yeah, that's Mario right there.
I wonder if Sunoco calls the cops after a while.
I'm pretty sure. Probably sure whatever the altercation, whatever that shit happened over there.
But Sebastian not making those kind of move to make this shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, he gotta at least put his nose out. To try to.
He's on a pro driver, man.
Face on, yeah, full lock, full lock, yeah. see a gap like
There was a gap right there.
once he put his nose out, they gotta stop, man. Nobody gonna hit the truck. See, just like that. Put your nose out, bitch. That nigga, there you go. What the fuck? No
Yo,
way!
fucking way.
Oh shit! He's going over the fucking curb.
Oh shit.